Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Hope you're well. As you know, we tune a lot of common rail diesels from 2006 onwards, and especially the European market. We tune your BMWs, your Mercedes, Porsche, VW, Audis, and many more. I've got a few snippets of some vehicles that we have tuned in our workshops. Check it out, have a look. There you go guys, there's a handful of the common rail diesel European cars that we have tuned. If you're an owner and you want to unleash some more power and torque out of your common rail diesel vehicle, give us a call at Ultimate Diesel Tuning or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we've got a dealer network all around Australia that can help you. And subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.